can't.
Shut that thing up.
I can't. I said turn it off and I don't want to.
Whoa.
That just came to me.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, it was like shh.
No, it really
That
didn't.
was crazy.
What happened?
Christian, stop.
No.
That storm's not even here yet. It's far.
No, it's not.
Yeah, huh? It's how long that lightning just took to light. You wait, you count from how long it thunders to then how long it lightning. It took a long. It'll lighten in about. It's like 10 miles away.
You want to see the radar?
I got it.
You go to Fox 5 News, and you will see that there's black, pink, and every other color in the thing on us.
I wish this thing would hurry up and eat. Shut up.
Mhm.
Oh, why did I do that?
You're not gonna get struck. Now it sounds like it's not coming from this way. And the internet's not working.
Swag. Alright. Yeah, I want it close up.
Hold on.
So that you can see your photo. No, I don't like that one.
Oh my God.
Look at your hair. Oh my goodness. You're still trying to record the lightning?